Welcome! If you've ever wanted to organize your Instagram likes and quickly find posts you've liked from a specific creator, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps on how to filter your Instagram likes by author, making it easier than ever to track your favorite content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, at the top right of your profile page. Tap on it to open a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is where you can review and manage everything you do on Instagram, from your time spent to your interactions. Next, tap on Likes. This will bring up a list of all the posts you've liked, organized by date by default. But here's where the magic happens. At the top of this page, you'll see a filter option. Tap on Filter by Author. A new screen will appear, showing a list of all the authors whose posts you've liked. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific creator you're interested in. Once you've found them, tap their name. Instagram will now display only the posts you've liked from that particular author. This makes it super easy to revisit content from your favorite accounts or to keep tabs on the creators that inspire you most. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can now filter your Instagram likes by author and enjoy a more organized, personalized browsing experience. Try it out and see how much easier it is to find the content you love. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scrolling.